Hi, it's Jocelyn. It's time, finally, for season 2 of Black Lightning. I can't believe it's been since April. April was the season finale, so we waited this whole time. And thank God Black Lightning got re-signed and renewed. That's going to continue on. So you know what? Let's get started. I just got to say that their first season was just unbelievable. It was just so awesome. Totally strong, totally solid show. Okay, so let's see if I can get this title right. All right, we are watching season 2, episode 1, Book of Consequences, chapter 1, Rise of the Green Light Babies. All right, you ready? Let's go.
We get it, but even days after the attack, you chose not to show up to work?
This was just a matter of unfortunate timing.
Very unfortunate, Principal Pierce. I'm sure you understand that something must be done. The school will remain closed.
Excuse me,
Will remain closed until we find psychological responders for the students, the school is repaired, and the board is finished deliberating and has come to a conclusion concerning disciplinary action with regard to you.
Ooh. Yeah, I can see how that happened. Yeah.
Honestly, lady, that...
Here.
Whoa.
So now I'm floating?
Wow.
Please don't tell Mom and Dad or I'll never leave the house again. I already did.
It's all fallout. God, they're just starting everything like really tense. Everything's like really tense. You know, there's consequences, just like the book. A lot of consequences. Oh.
By his way, I want to talk to you about that briefcase.
Not interested.
It's not a request.
Oh, do we get to see her fight? Let's go. I don't know which one I like better. I don't know which one I like better. I really don't. Are they wearing heels? Yep. Nice jumpsuit. Wow! Oh, nice. Oh, she's not wearing heels. There goes her. Damn! Oh, there are some fucking stilettos. Wow. Damn. Oh. Ooh. Ooh, that's the second time she got her.
Should have accepted my invitation.
Oh! Oh, fudge! Is she dead? Really?
Bitch, you got my hair wet.
Whoa! There you go. Okay, so that opening section, I like how they started off with Bob Marley. I love that song, Redemption Song. And then just seeing the fallout, you know, the fallout from what happened, that big fight that happened at the school. And it's true, you know, where was the principal? And he was off on vacation, and this just coincides with that. But it's true, you know, he's the principal who was there to take care of the children. So I can understand how the board would then investigate this and to see what was going to happen. And then they're also interviewing Lynn, so it looks like she's not going to get any access to studying the other other children in the pods. So that's interesting. But that fight scene, wow! I don't know which lady I like least. You know what I mean? I mean, it's like, who do you, but, oh, when she pulled out her heels, I was like, oh, they're gonna be like, nuts, but they're freaking stilettos. Okay, I still love the music. Black Lightning, you always, the Black Lightning's got the best soundtrack, I'm telling you. Okay, we just gotta keep going. I'm just already excited.
You can't isolate yourself and not talk about it.
What do you want me to say?
That you're gonna commit to finding a way of dealing with this.
Dealing with what? The fact that I float in my sleep or that Dad died twice? Are you dealing with the fact that you shot someone with a shotgun? Or that Gamby killed a man? Or that I electrocuted somebody who might be dead now? Which part do you want me to deal with first, Mom?
What's your tone, young lady? Jen! Oh, are you okay? Are you okay? I'm sorry.
Oh no. Oh no. Oh, poor girl. Oh, poor girl. Your mom's okay. Poor girl.
We'll figure it out. It's okay. I'm okay.
Oh. Okay, folks, there's some major family drama going on right now. I mean, this is, for a first episode, they did not waste time. They're just, they're just keeping it real. They're in the drama. This is a very happy episode for the first, for the season opener, I have to say. Between Lynn and Jefferson, I mean, you see them as a couple. But Lynn's trying to figure out what to do for her daughters, which she's the mom. It makes sense. And then for Jefferson, he's just focused on getting Tobias well, and then the board and his friends, I think they just probably want to discipline him and probably take him out of his role. I just see that coming. And then just a lot of frustration. I could definitely feel so much inner frustration that's just building. Just for this first episode, you could definitely feel it's just so thick. And then what's her name? Sorry, I forgot the lady's name, the vice principal. But so she wants out of the ASA. So does that mean she's gonna be good? Is she gonna be part of the Black Lightning team? Not quite sure about that. And of course Jen, definitely when she's emotional, she's a danger. She's a danger to anyone while she's emotional. So I think it's a matter of her trying to control her emotions. But this is very thick. Don't you feel this is a very thick episode? It's like, dang, but it's good. Okay, let's keep going. Khalil? Black Lightning. Khalil? Black Lightning. Khalil. No, it's Anissa. She's gonna steal money? She's just gonna oh, this is gonna be like Robin Hood. Right? Like Robin Hood. Yeah. Steal from, yep, she's gonna steal from the rich. Yep. Damn, girl. Damn. That's where she's gonna get that money. Woo! Ooh. Ooh. Oh, man. Ooh, look at that. Ooh. That's right. Whoa! Nice move! Ooh. She took all that money. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Wow. She's like, oh yeah? She's like, gonna come back out? Yep. taking it all back. Well, hey, doing something. She's doing something. Everybody's gotta live a life under the sun, under the sun, under the sun, under the sun. Nice.
Deputy Chief Henderson.
I asked myself, now what could possibly keep Jeff's attacked?
He got smart.
Nothing.
He got smart.
Because Jefferson Pierce was already there.
Yep.
United States government sending down national security orders, Black Lightning rising from the dead, showing up at the Seahorse Motel only to save Jefferson Pierce's daughters. Just say it, Negro.
Oh, wow.
Don't make me rip that mask off your face. You say it.
You gonna shoot me now, Deputy Chief?
I should.
Wow. They ain't wasting time. Powerful shot right there. Powerful. Put it back on. Put it back on. Put it back on.
Is Lynn Thunder?
Lynn Thunder.
Anissa?
Yes.
Hmm?
Put it back
Come
on.
on, man. I asked you a question.
Yes.
After all these years, huh, man?
Okay,
Put on the
what do we
mask.
do now?
Put on the mask.
Bill,
He needs time to think. This was heavy. Okay, this was just heavy. Definitely a very heavy. This is definitely a heavy episode. You could definitely see that within the marriage between Lynn and Jefferson, again, you know, it's just ripping them apart. And she's absolutely right. I mean, don't tell her what her job will be because she's got to do what she's got to do now. So, you know, okay, so that's what they're going to probably end up having her do this season. She's probably going to be part of the ASA with that. But I wonder what strings are going to be attached with that role. And Anissa, what's that phrase that I've heard about? It's like you rob Peter to pay Paul. So that's what's happening with that whole concept. And lover fight scene, I just love it. Yeah, that was pretty cool. And Bill, I mean, wow, first episode, he could figure it out already. Called him out, and he knew Jefferson was Black Lightning. I like that. We've got a cop who actually has brains, so that's really good. Overall, I mean, this is just heavy stuff. Yeah.
I knew I recognized the face, but I couldn't figure out from where. She came to see me, offered up Proctor's briefcase in return for me cleansing her from the ASA.
Betrayals all over. Look at that. Everyone's coming out clean. They're not even clean. See? Now he's like flipping. Yep.
this is completely.
Crazy.
I mean. Okay. Does she know who has it? What's in the briefcase?
Probably. She's not saying. But whatever it is, it's probably worse than we think.
this the money. Crazy. They all got their guns.
Well, you won't be needing that.
God willing, we won't.
Peter to pay Paul. Or is it, would you call it?
Praise the Lord.
Praise
Praise
the
the
Lord.
Lord.
Praise the Lord.
Hey, what's up? Hey, I'm not gonna bring you scaring me. Open the door. Come on, Jennifer, open the door. You're scaring me. Keisha, go home, okay? Keisha, go home.
Okay. Jen?
Wow. In the bathtub? Wow.
Baby, are you in pain?
No. I just can't stop it.
Wow. It's like a cocoon.
Okay, I need you to get out the tub. No, I got you.
Like a cocoon.
Go.
Wow. He just absorbed that. Wow. He just like totally, it's like she just built up all this energy and he was the only one who could like absorb all that energy.
Like black lightning and thunder. I'm trying to save Garfield. Not my job.
What? Oh. Tobias Whale.
Cyanide was the only thing left in this world that I gave a damn about.
You should have taken better care of her. I need the briefcase.
No more words. Time to die.
If you must.
The harpoon?
I'm gonna peel your skin off with a butter knife, you bitch.
Oh my god!
Watching TV's most electrifying hero.
Ah! That was, whoa, that was the harpoon, his harpoon trick. Back. That was, I did not expect that. And you know what, now I should be expecting these kind of things from each episode now, because they're just freaking just, I couldn't even watch. That was just like, oh, okay. So she's not dead. She's not dead, but I think they're gonna form a Black Lightning team, right? So I was pretty sure that Jefferson, he would no longer be in the principal role. So keep the school open, get the principal out. That's what they wanted, anyways. So okay, that came about. And Jennifer, with all her powers, as the fact that she's a generator, she does need a way to be able to put her energy into something else. I'm wondering, here's something that just came into mind. I'm wondering that with Jennifer's powers, would she be able to give life to all the other green light babies, like in the pods? You know, like would she be the ones to give them power? I'm just curious because the way that Jefferson, he was able to absorb all that power and it was just like her way out, just to finally release it. So that's kind of like what I'm thinking about as far as is that her purpose? I don't know. And Anissa, she's doing something. I mean, you could tell she lives for a purpose. Anissa loves to have a purpose to help people, and so she's gonna be like somewhat of a Robin Hood type character for a while, just to help that church get their for them to reach that goal to sue the government. So all in all, I think so. Cyanide's gone. Okay, well that's kind of sad. I wanted her to still be on it because I do like those fight scenes, but so I guess she's completely dead. What else could I say about this? I don't know. I mean, I'm just like, ooh, that was a lot. That was a lot. That was some good shit. Okay. All right. Well, I did look up what I like to do on my other videos is I like to look up, you know, I want to thank people who did comment on the season finale way back in April. So I looked you guys up again. So I'd like to just name off and just give a shout out to the people who did leave comments. Please leave comments. Tell me what you think about this episode. You know, what else are your thoughts? What are your predictions for this season? Maybe the Green Mile babies are going to end up becoming an army. Don't know. And, all right. So, thank you so much. And so if you hear your name and you're still watching, it's a good thing. Okay. So, shout out to Zach78. Ned, okay, let me hopefully I get this right. Nijai, Cayuga. Neji, Cayuga. You can figure it out. All right. Samuel Paxton, Naquan Harris, Christy, Ty Smith, Daryl LaPhil, H.R. Tucker, and Naka Elena. Okay, well, I'm Jocelyn. It's good to be back. I love Black Lightning. This show is awesome. Definitely awesome. Excited about the season. And hey, you know, just something I want to share. You can follow me on my Instagram page. It's called Watch Jocelyn RP Channel. I do daily vlogs, post like little memes or different things about myself or just what's on my mind and just some fun stuff. Whatever, but just follow me there or on Facebook, but I don't use Facebook that much, but follow me anyways. Okay, so please subscribe to my channel, like, share, and comment, and I will see you next week. Bye.